Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant crashing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check box to run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Second step, you just need to right click on the right client and select open file location. You just need to go back to right games, double click on the Valorant live folder. Now you just need to copy this file path. After that, just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. Now paste the path we copied and press enter. Select valorant.exe and select open. Select the add option. After adding the bootstrap package to game, just need to check mark private and public. After that, find Valorant. Make sure the Valorant is checked both private and public. After that, just need to click on OK. Third step, you just need to update the graphics card driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab, select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, just close stuff here and now you can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.